Hi, this is Montaz from Web3DS. Essentially, we need three things to get our tool to run. A database. I have a locally deployed Oracle SQL instance. I chose Oracle SQL for this demo since it's the prioritized enterprise solution. I have tested with Postgres and it works just as well. There need to be minor changes that are documented in the README file. I'm building this tool using data warehousing and Data Vault 2 principles. I'll talk more about that later. The second thing we need is Docker. The app is meant to run on the client's cluster, so containerization is of utmost importance. I have it deployed on my local Kubernetes cluster, but you can also run it directly using Docker. Alternatively, you can just install UV and run it using UV as described in the README. The third thing we need, which you cannot see here, is cron. In order to track positions, I use a cron job to hit one of the endpoints every 5 minutes. This can be easily customized based on the client's needs. In a future version, cron will be replaced by a Kubernetes cron job and automatically shipped with the app. Let's initialize a wallet to track using the init endpoint. We simply throw a curl command to the Solana init endpoint, and then we wait for a while. We're getting positions from the blockchain, processing them, and for now, only saving Radium liquidity pool positions using the CLMM market maker. You can see that we received an OK here. So a 200 came from the database, and we can open the Hub Solana positions database and see that there's this wallet that we sent using our curl command, initialized using this transaction, a position that is saved here. Additionally, Radium provides position URI, which can be used to query the position. In this hub table, we only save identifier information. The positions themselves are saved in the satellite positions. You can see in the first entry that the block time is a while back, but the update timestamp is just now. This is because the block time refers to the time the transaction was made, while the update ATS is just when we wrote into the database. We get the same identifiers as above and some more information. As you can see, here there is missing information. This is not a bug. This is just a feature of Data Vault, which is we write what is and not what should be, meaning that if any data is missing from the data source, we do not change them. The second entry was written using the cron job. As you can see, there is more details here. This is because Radium's API gives us more information about the liquidity pool position itself. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes here, so I'm just going to click refresh. And as you can see, two more entries, one every 5 minutes. As you can see here, we see the tokens, we see the price of the liquidity pool, position value, the reward values, and the total value. Thank you for watching. And again, this is Montaz from Web3DS.